y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, this is going to be summer days in my life, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the okay y'all. So this is my outfit that I have on for today. Just a simple black dress, some jewelry, and gold. Hey y'all, so we at Wally World. We about to go to the pool after Walmart. I bought me a super cute bathing suit. It's the Megan Thee Stallion bathing suit. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks.
I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. Let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the ballet in a new toy. Blow back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This shit I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit.
This is the 4th of July dinner. I got fruit. I don't know what this is. Hey y'all, so I'm finna get ready to go to the Battery, or it's an escape room. So y'all,
Split mind, no need an assignment. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide, no man at the climbing. Burning bitches in my 3rd trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. Know I gotta come and check the whole thing, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G-block stainers. And we got adopted by some 5th-4 strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you that's who I was. Yeah, they throwing dirt on my whole name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never